6 years after slavery officially ended in Jamaica, the rulers needed answers. So, they did something historic. In 1844, Jamaica held its first ever national population census after emancipation. Why so soon? Because the colony had changed overnight. The enslaved were now free. A new labor system was being born. But the British wanted control. They needed data: who lived where, who worked, who paid taxes. They wanted to measure the new Jamaica. But behind every number in that census was a human story. A man who had never been counted before. A woman claiming her name, not a slave number. A child was finally born free. And this wasn't just bureaucracy, it was survival, planning, and fear. Because the British didn't just count people, they calculated power. Today, those 1844 records still exist, a window into the birth of modern Jamaica. What was once a tool of control is now our proof of freedom's first steps. Subscribe for more truths about Jamaica that textbooks forget.